Hi everyone, I am Natalia and welcome to my channel. If you're a student, a 9 to 5 worker, or someone who wants to earn money online without feeling overwhelmed, you have come to the right place. So, on this channel, I will show you step by step ways to create digital income, grow your skills, and build financial freedom even if you're a complete beginner. A little about myself. I used to work long hours with very little results. I was broke, stressed, and didn't know how to start earning online. But over time, I discovered digital products, faceless marketing, and other beginner friendly ways to earn money online. Now I help students and now 9 to 5 workers just like you and me to start their online income journey without showing their face and investing thousands of dollars. I know if you're juggling with your work or school while trying to make some extra money, it can be really stressful. And most people think that you need huge following and years of experience to start earning online. But that's not the truth. You just need the right strategies, guidance, and the consistent effort. So, on this channel, I will show you how to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, and guides, how to use faceless marketing strategies to reach your audience online, leverage email marketing and affiliate marketing to grow passive income, and build systems that allow you to earn consistently without spending hours online. So, everything I teach is beginner friendly and I will break it down step by step so you can take actions immediately. So, here's a quick tip you can try right now. Start small, even a simple template or guide can be your first digital product. Don't overthink it because the key is to start and improve over time. Taking action, even imperfectly, is what separates people who earn online from those who just watched from the sidelines. So, if you're serious about starting your online income journey, then I have created a free guide for you guys. It's packed with strategies to help you start earning without showing your face, and it's completely beginner friendly. So, check the link in the description to grab. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can never miss new tips and strategies to grow your online income. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited to help you start